An example of this might be implementing a client relationship management system. In order for you to implement that, you have to do a certain amount of level of planning in the long term so that a year from now, you have the CRM that's right for you. You have to start from the longest point. What do we want the CRM to do? And then work backwards. That's an organized, deferred, and gamble piece. People who are stuck in personal, immediate, and certain, those are the people who focus on the Excel spreadsheets and they never decide to leverage technology to make their lives easier. When you are able to make that jump and focus on those things that are organized, deferred, and gamble, that's when you really find your performance. That's when you focus on deferred goals and organized strategies. If you are able to do that, it moves you that much closer to having a business that you are running and not one that is running